Today's project, we got a small demo job and some brush clearing. Got a old, I don't know if it was old playhouse or tree house or something. We'll tear that down, get up some of these bigger pieces of log still laying around and any trash that may be in this area. And then we are going to mulch everything else with the Rut Manufacturing Termite and get all this mulched up so they can regain this backyard. Customers using this house for either a flip house or a rental. I'm not sure if they've decided what they're going to do yet. They're in the process of cleaning this house up and totally redoing it. So we're going to see what we can do to regain this backyard and give the renter or new homeowner a much larger backyard than what they currently have. So that's what we're working on today. We'll check back in a little while, show you all the finished product. Here we go. Got it all wrapped up. Got it where the homeowner can now hopefully manage it, keep it cut, maybe get some grass growing back here. Still got two really large tree stumps back here that blew over during the storm. Hopefully he'll give me a call later on these and we can take care of these for him. But as far as the overgrowth, all of it is gone and taken care of. So if y'all got any overgrowth or brush cutting you need done, give us a call. Let us help you out. Appreciate it.